Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Small problem with the ASTRA that I need to sort today. A couple of days ago, a coolant hose had split and I lost all the coolant. I ordered the coolant hose and the coolant tank, and today I'll change it. So this is the hose that split. This is the part number. And it's split here, as you can see. And it comes from here, from the heater matrix. These two hoses here, and goes one here to the thermostat housing and another one there to the bottom. They have these clips that you need to undo and should come out. They're on the heater matrix. They go like this, and they have sort of like some clips here that you need to remove to get it out. I'll try and use this to get that clip out. One out, and you just twist it and try and get it out. Okay, I took it out. This one out. Gives a bit more access to the bottom one. Yeah, right, I dropped it. This one too out. On this one, you use a regular plier like this one. Are some special pliers as well, but I don't have it, so not much access. I'll try with this one too, because that one is not very good. So. This is how it looks. So you should hold it like this and pull the hose. Now let's do the same with the other one. So this is where it's split to have a better look of the hose. And let's get the new one. Let's put the clip on the new hose. Should be on these markings, as you can see. To put them back, it should go like this. I think this one is the return. So put them back, and I think should clip back on. It's better to put it first, the bottom one. Yeah, I think it just clipped in. You just push it in and it clipped. This one should do the same. You just push it in and you just twist it a bit and should lock in. Looks good. Put this side back, we'll do the same. Hold it with a plier and squeeze it in. Best is to start with the bottom one, because we won't have much access to it if you put the top one first. Bottom one in. Top in, bottom one in. Make sure you have it between the markings here, and should be okay. As you can see, the coolant tank looks awful. I might have blown the head gasket, but we'll see after we top up. The cap is gone, so I bought a new coolant tank. Came with a sensor too. Start with this clip. This is a pain as well to get it out. Looks like on this side this was holding it, this tab that had flown, so it kind of sits like this, and on that bracket there on the back. So I'll get it out and try to remove easier the hose. Here is the sensor for the level. It should have a tab here, and you should take it out, I think. So press here, and to release this tab here, and should come out. Now let's get it out. Now you should have better access to this hose. I had to remove the wheel to look for this damn clip that I lost when I removed the coolant tank. Now I'm ready to put it back. As you can see, the coolant tank came with a sensor for the level of coolant. If you want just to replace the sensor, you just twist it like this and it comes out. Now let's put it back. First, let's put this clip back. And the hose. Now let's put the plug for the sensor. There to the bottom, you have to slide this over that notch. There you go. And this should go like this. Yeah, looks secure. Now, last hose. I think we are good to go now. I'll top it up with water because I might have other leaks, or in the same time might be the head gasket blown. So we'll see how it goes, and I'll put coolant after everything is alright. I left the car running for like 15 minutes, reached the temperature, drove it for another 15 minutes, and looks like it's okay. The fan kicked in. Okay, here looks like we might have a problem on this overflow. There's a mixture of oil and coolant. This might not be a good sign. The exhaust, no white smoke. That's a good sign. The temperature looks like it's maintaining. We'll see how it goes on the following days while I drove it to work. I'll drive it for the next couple of days and see how it's going. But I think we might have fixed it. I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and see you on the next one.